Ocean Man, Palermo, Don, 2K. Felt pretty good. Temple of Aphrodite, Uranus in Segesta. This is the start of a 2.5 week kind of round the world trip. Day 1, 5K. Really slow and chill.
The last few vlogs have been pretty much the same, right? Dancing around little, European, Mediterranean, ancient temples. All right, this one's a bit different. This one is going to be a bit more interesting. I'm in New York City, and we're doing some big stuff, big deals, big business stuff. I was in New York a couple of years ago, and I was in Spanish Harlem in a hostel. So, not ideal. But now, we're staying on a nicer hotel on Wall Street. Much better. Let's do a little tour of the place. Bedroom over here, can't complain. An extra bed for somebody, apparently.
Hey, long day of meetings. I am thoroughly exhausted. But, Empire State. Not that bad, but I feel like I got about 85% of what I wanted to achieve in those meetings, so I'm happy. Time to actually I got one more day of meetings, then I can head back home, and then it's time to get into the hardest 10-year grind of my life. The winter arc begins.